Part about doing rub this way is usually it turns. I can never do it again because I didn't measure it. Yeah, because if you don't, it won't. Why not? Whoa. A little bit and add more sugar if we got to. Come together. Bones at, but I wouldn't worry about hitting it. I think last time that bone saw was ripped right through it without any problem. Cut through the meat.
You mean like that? I see one thing, we need to turn our cutting over.
That's like oh yeah, you know. So they do same pork? Or do they
It's just like this.
Just like same thing, huh?
Yeah.
Well, for lechon, you said they use like a baby pig, right? Or a small one?
Smaller.
Suckling pig, I think they call them up here.
Yep.
I guess they got some kind of, what do you call it? He says like a fiber optic balloon. You're going through the little groin, whatever that vein is.
Yeah.
And up into the heart somehow.
Yeah.
And this thing is supposed to help, like, something to do with when it's the heart's not pushing the blood right. Very good. All right.
That's another loin, isn't it? I'd open that thing up. There you go. Put this one in the middle. You got room?
I probably want to run that bag with all the meat stuff in it. Oh yeah. Have to go quick because it's hot.
I was just gonna say, hot.
It's like a ham. Look at it, we got marrow coming out the bone.
Nice.
Smells even better.
Check it out. Get over here. Yeah, that's great. The door was wide open earlier. I know Mike's always like, why do we have to do Italian? No, like something like bratwurst.
Maybe hit that other piece.
Put the belly in there for now. Hold this.
pan's not heavy duty enough to handle that. There you go. Perfect. Yep. Down last time when I started up. Yeah, see. That's gone for sure.
Stick your knife in and pick it up, can you?
Try to grab it in my hand. There you go. On it. A little bit in here, a little bit in there. Everybody driving by is rubbernecking.
Bottom.
Huh? Might as well go right in the middle. Where are we gonna set this? Right there. Might just have to get it out of that pan to let it cool down.
all this bark on there?
Off, huh?
Mm-hmm.
The help will go, this is all like nothing but fat. What are you doing then? Exercising and whatever. It's easier to find those bits of junk you don't want with your hands, I feel like. What am I doing here? There you go.
Good.